describe C4?
C4 permanent trim restorer. This is our coating for trim. It restores the colour back to original factory, so it's not putting gloss on there, so it has the nice satin look that came from factory. You'll get about 2 years of durability out of that.
So here we've masked off this bit of unpainted plastic here.
Doing a little 50-50.
Yeah, so preparation side for this?
Preparation is critical. Again, same thing, this is a chemically bonding product, so critical that you get the substrate completely clean, free of anything. So you've done an APC clean on this. Don't use panel wipe on this. APC will be all right, just make sure you get the residue off it. Yeah, so that's ready to go.
So anything heavily soiled, detailing brush?
Detailing brush, yeah, medium detailing brush. You know, if it's a car that's just been sitting under a tree for 2 years, it's going to need a bit of a scrub to get the dirt out.
Okay, so it's 2 different sizes in there.
Yep.
We've got the 15mm here.
Yeah, so 15 is going to be good for. I mean, this Fiesta, absolutely no problem at all. You're good really for anything unless it's got kind of full bumper, you know, kind of unpainted bumpers. So yeah.
Okay, so I've noticed little applicator pads in
there.
Yeah,
so
well.
same thing. So because this one cures hard into an applicator pad, you get multiple pads with it.
Okay.
And a little sticker and a
nice little Gtechniq sticker. It's all right. Nice touch.
Yeah.
So in regards to how much product we actually need, is it just a couple of drops? This will go quite
again, just
far.
prime the pad. So yeah, good few drops on to start with. Yeah, that looks right, and then do the kind of
the fold technique.
Fold in there, yeah, and then just spread it on.
So in regards to just applying it, is it just making sure we've just got a
you're
nice
just covering
even spread?
And yes, and it'll go on. You can actually do all the. So it's good for hard plastics. It's also good for rubbers as well. So this.
So we can go straight onto there as well.
The seal here as well.
Let's go a bit down there. Yeah. And it's okay, obviously, getting it on the glass.
Yeah, that's as long as you remove the residue. But that will cure hard. And critical thing on removing residue. So this is kind of fairly standard trim, but if you get very, very heavily contoured trim, it's critical that when you're removing the residue, you get all of the residue, even in the little valleys, out. Yeah. Because if you get any residue in there, because it's a quartz-based product, that'll actually form a quartz film. You'll get this kind of powdery crystal in there, so you'll have nasty little blotchy effect on there. So it's very important, if you've got very heavily contoured trim, actually probably use a long fibre microfiber just to ensure that you're scooping all the residue out of the bottom of the trim. So that's good, and then now it's just merely a matter of
a little buff off with a clean microfiber.
Yep.
Is this just to level it out and get the excess off?
So you're removing excess, and again, not leaving any residue on there, because any excess product, too much excess product, again, it will cure into a solid lump of quartz.
So it's going to be quite unsightly, I suppose.
Yeah, so that's where you get kind of, if you do it.
It's quite a nice, natural, fresh look, isn't it?
We take that off,
yeah,
get the money shot. So yeah.
Perfect.
Pull that. Yeah, just move that bit of residue in there as well. But yeah, no, so that you get that effect now for a couple of years on that.
So will this bead? Because I know.
It'll bead a bit, and you could overcoat it with Exo if you wanted, but its main function is to kind of restore that, because it's it's just restoring that natural original finish to the trim, and then it's got a good strong UV filter in there, so that will kind of retain that look for. Yeah, you normally get about 2 years out of that.
Okay, great. Thank you very much.